Whoa, it's the Monster Jam Mini Christmas Countdown. Wow, let's go ahead and open it up. Whoa, it comes with an arena. This is awesome. It's a Christmas arena and it even comes with a ramp. We're gonna have to try all our trucks on it. Alright guys, we're gonna open up one door for each day until Christmas. Let's go ahead and open up door number 1. Whoa. It looks like it's Christmas Gravedigger. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. It's Christmas colors. This is an awesome truck. Wow, guys. Alright guys, let's put him to the test. Whoa. Now he's going through the green ramp. Whoa. He did a wheelie. Wow. Alright, he went back down. Alright guys, let's try it again. Whoa. Alright guys, let's see if he can go up. Whoa. Alright, now he's gonna go backwards. Alright, let's go ahead and park him. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open up the second door for the second day. Oh wow. Guys, we got Monster Mutt and it looks like the tires got snow. This is like the Christmas edition. Wow. Alright guys, time for Monster Mutt. Whoa. Wow, he's pretty fast. Whoa, that was a good jump. Alright guys, he's gonna do the green ramp. Whoa. Alright, let's go ahead and park this car. Alright guys, let's go to day number 3. Let's see what we get. Oh wow, this ain't a truck. What is this? This is a firework that you can put in an arena. Wow, this is so awesome. Let's go ahead and put this firework next to the arena so it can look nice. Wow. Alright, let's move on to day 4. Oh wow, let's see. Oh my goodness. It's Northern Nightmare and the tires have snow. This looks so cool. Let's go ahead and play with this one. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Alright guys, I'm ready. Whoa, he did a nice jump. Oh wait, now he's revving up. Is he gonna do what I think he's going to do? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. He did a double backflip. No way. I didn't even think those were possible. He's gonna do one more jump. Whoa. Alright guys, let's go ahead and park this guy. Alright guys, we're on to day 5. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh wow, I think it's another truck. Whoa guys, I've never seen a truck like this before. It looks like it's Toro Loco and the tires got snow. This looks so cool. Alright, let's put it to the test. Alright, next up, we got El Toro Loco. Alright, he's gonna do something different. He's gonna do the whole track backwards. Whoa. Now he's gonna go through the green ramp. Whoa, that was awesome. Alright, now through the red one. Whoa. Whoa, that was some sick air. Alright guys, let's see what day number 6 has for us. Oh whoa, this ain't a truck either. Let's see. Whoa, it looks like it's a monster truck driver. Alright. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put our driver, I know, on top of the ramp. That way we can do some stunts with him. Alright guys, we're getting closer to Christmas. Day 7. Let's go ahead and open it up. It looks like it's another truck. Oh wow, guys, it's Mohawk Warrior. And it's a Christmas edition. The tires have snow. This is so cool, I can't wait to play. Alright, next up we got Mohawk Warrior. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Alright, let's do this. Whoa! He just jumped over the driver. Alright, is he gonna do it again from the green ramp? He did it! Wow, that one was kind of close. He's gonna do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Alright guys, let's go ahead and park this car. Alright guys, we're on day number 8. We're getting closer and closer. Oh, guys! I think this is my favorite one so far. It looks like it's Sparkle Smash! The unicorn! Look, the tires have snow. I've never seen one like this before. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh wait guys, I just got word that Sparkle Smash does not feel comfortable with the driver in the middle of the arena. So let's go ahead and escort him to the side of the arena. Alright. Let's go ahead and put him right there. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do this. He's ready. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, psh, whoa. Psh. Watch out with the driver. Vroom, psh. Whoa, that was awesome. Alright, we're gonna do one more. Vroom, psh. Whoa. Psh. Whoa. Whoa. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn around. Let's go ahead and park Sparkle Smash. Alright guys, we're on to day 9. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, let's see. This is not a truck. Let's see what it is. Oh wow, guys. It's another green explosion. Alright guys, let's grab this green firework and let's put it on the other side of the arena. That looks awesome. Alright guys, we're on to day 10. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh wow, it's a truck. Let's see. Alright, let's grab it. Let's see. Oh wow, guys. This is Dragon, the Christmas edition. It has red, it has green. Wow, this has got to be one of my favorite ones. Alright guys, it's Dragon's turn. Vroom, vroom. Let's go. Whoa, he got some good air. Can he get back down though? Vroom, vroom. Whoa. Psh. That was so cool. Alright guys, he's gonna keep going. Psh. Whoa. Alright, he's gonna do one more. Psh. Whoa. Alright, let's go ahead and park him. Alright guys, we're on to day 11. Let's go ahead and push it in. And then let's open it. Let's see. It's another truck. Wow guys. Let's see. Whoa. It looks like it's Monster Mutt Christmas edition. Wow, look at all these colors. I've never seen one like this before. Whoa. Alright guys, Christmas Monster Mutt is ready. Alright, ready, set, go. Alright, let's go through the green one. Whoa. He's doing a wheelie. Whoa. Alright guys, he's gonna do an incredible jump. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. He jumped right back into the box. And he got stuck. Alright guys, we're halfway there. We're on to day 12. Alright, let's open it up. Oh, whoa. What is this? Wow. It looks like a bracelet. And it's a Monster Jam bracelet. And it looks like a tire. Alright guys, this Monster Jam bracelet gives superpowers. How about we give it to the driver for being a good sport? Here you go, driver. It's a little big, but it'll be okay. Hey guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tune in next time to watch part 2.